Hello students, in this class we'll see the difference between gross working capital and net working capital. Okay, so in that last class I have told gross working capital is the total of current assets in a business. Okay, gross working capital is the total of current assets of the business, and net working capital is the difference between current assets minus current liabilities. You have to keep this in mind. Gross working capital is the total of current assets of the business. Total of current assets is gross working capital, whereas net working capital is the difference between current assets and current liabilities. Okay, so the first point, it is gross working capital. It is the concept of quantitative nature. So first of all, I have told you gross working capital is the total of current assets. Total means it is the quantitative nature. Okay, it is the concept of quantitative nature. So in this gross working capital, the quantity matters, means it is the total of current assets. In gross working capital, the quantity matters. So in net working capital, it is the concept of qualitative nature. Okay, it is a concept of qualitative nature. Net working capital is the difference between current assets and current liabilities. So net working capital is qualitative in nature, whereas gross working capital is quantitative in nature. Okay, so second point, it is a total amount available for financing the current assets. Okay, so I have already said it is a total amount for financing current assets. It is a total of current assets. Whereas net working capital, it is the firm's ability to meet its operating expenses and current liabilities. Means net working capital is the difference between current assets and current liability. The liability of the firm should be less than the assets of the firm. If the asset will be increased, then it is able to pay the liability. Okay, if the asset is equal to liability, then the firm is in loss. Okay, so the asset should be increased, liability should be decreased. Okay, the difference between these two matters. Okay, current assets should be more than current liabilities. If the current assets is less than current liabilities, then the firm will be in loss. Okay, so current assets, difference between current assets and current liabilities will judge the operating ability of the firm. Okay, next one, third one, it indicates the total sum of current assets. Okay, it indicates the total sum of current assets. Third one, net working capital, it indicates current assets minus current liabilities. Okay, it indicates current assets and current liabilities minus current liabilities. Fourth one, gross concept suitable for companies. Gross working capital is suitable for any kind of companies, whereas net working capital concept suitable for sole trader or and partnership firms. Okay, gross working capital is suitable for companies, whereas net working capital is suitable for sole trader and partnership firms. Okay, so fifth one, it cannot reveal true financial position of the company. Gross working capital cannot reveal true financial position of the company, because gross working capital indicates the sum of current assets, so it cannot indicate any financial position of the company. Whereas net working capital, it is very useful to find out the true financial position of the company. Okay, because it sees the difference between current assets and current liabilities. If the difference between current assets and current liabilities is more, if the current assets are more than the current liabilities, then the financial position of the company is more. Okay, so net working capital is very useful to find out the financial position of the company, whereas gross working capital is not suitable to find out the financial position of the company. If the company is in loss or profit, it will not get to know to if we see gross working capital. If we see net working capital, we'll find out the company is in profit or it is in loss. Okay, so sixth one, gross working capital refers to the firm's current assets. Okay, so gross working capital means total of current assets, whereas net working capital is the difference between current assets and current liabilities. Okay, so it is the easiest way to find out the difference between gross working capital and net working capital. Okay, so in last class we have discussed the meaning of working capital, the characteristics of working capital, the features of working capital, the types of working capital, and the determinants of working capital. And this class we have shown the concept of working capital, that is gross working capital and net working capital. In next class we'll discuss the operating cycle and cash cycle. Okay, if we finish the operating cycle and cash cycle, then the first unit of working capital will be finished. Okay, thank you.